Okay, so let's solve a problem which I paired in JEE Main 2019. This is a problem which is from the sequence and series chapter. And you can see that there is a sequence given to you, which is 1 plus 6 plus 9 into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square upon 7 and so on and so forth. So whenever you've been given such a series, like what will happen mostly that one or two terms will not be actually given in the same pattern in which other terms are given. So you have to write them in the same pattern so that you could understand how the whole sequence is working, right? So if you look at this, the number from third terms onward, so this is how it is given. So this is given as 9 into, and this is given as 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square upon 7. And then my fourth term is 12 into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square upon 9, and then so on and so forth. So there are more terms and we have to go up to 15 terms. So, but what about the first two terms? They are not looking like the same, right? So we try to write them in the same pattern. So 6 is given over here, while this is not given. So we'll write them. As there are three terms, then must be two terms here, 1 square plus 2 square. And then as over here there's this 5 7 I mean 7 9 and all that, so there should be 5 over here. So this is what is my second term. Now what about the first term? So as you can see here again, the one part is that we have to write 1 square, and another part is what we have to write is a 3, because 5 minus 2 7 minus 5 and all, right? So this is how it should be. Now this is actually having 1. So if I put a 3 over here, then I've got a pattern here, because this is the first term is 3x, 3, 6, 9, and so on and so forth. And then second one is basically square of something, summation of squares. And then this denominator is the odd term. So if I have to write the general term for this, TR, if I have to write, so what I can write here is 3 times R if I can write the first one. Then the second one, I'll have to write as 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, and it will go up to what? R term, right? So R square. It will be the last one, will be R square. While my denominator is an odd term and it is of this form 2R plus 1, right? So we are able to write this. So this is what is my general term. Now let's try to simplify this further. So this will become 3R, and then this is a summation of basically squares, right? We know that sigma n square is actually equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So here in place of n, we have got r. So we'll just write r into r plus 1 into 2r plus 1, right, by 6. So this is what it will be. And then we already have got 2r plus 1. So this 2r plus 1 will get cancelled. Then this will get cancelled, right? So what I've got is 1 by 2. And then if I multiply these terms inside, so this will be r cube and then r square, right? Now, what do I have to find out? I have to find out T1 plus T2 plus T3 up to T15. This is what we have to find out, which can be written as sigma TR, R equals to 1 to 15. Or I could write it as 1 by 2, and then that could be written as R cube plus R square, and that will go from R equals to 1 to 15. So again, I can write this as 1 by 2. This will be sigma R cube, and this will be sigma R square, and then I could write again R equals to 1 to 15, right? And similarly, this will be R equals to 1 to 15. Now I'll have to make use of the formula again. So this will be, sigma R cube will be basically sigma n cube is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole squared. So this will be R into R plus 1. So sigma n cube, again, I'm just writing this formula over here. This is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole squared. Here in place of n, I have got 15. So this will be 15 into 16 by 2 whole squared. And then I have got this one is r square, which is again n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, where n or r is 15. So 15 into 16 into 15 into 2 plus 1, which is 31, right? Upon 6, right? So this is what we'll have here. Now, what can we do here? So let's take out something common from here. So 1 by 2 is fine. Let's take out 15 and 16 outside. and then also one of the 2 here. So what will be left with is 15 into 16 by 2, and then here 15 into 16 is gone, so I will be left with 31 by 3, right? So now here this is 2 to the 4, this will be 60. And now what will I have here? So this will be, I will have 6 as my LCM, and this will be 15 into 16 into 3, which is 15 into 60 is 16 is how much? It is gonna be 240, right? Or okay. So 240 it is. So 240 into 3 is 720. So 720 and plus 31 into 2 is 62, right? So now 6 and 10, this will be gone. So 10 and this will be 782, right? Now what I've got is 7820. So this is what will be my answer, 7820. And this is my first option. So in this question, only thing which we have to see is the pattern. If we are able to see the pattern, we should write down the general term, and then after that we should apply all the summation properties which we know, and then you will be able to find the answer. Okay, so that is all for this question. If you have any questions, do ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.